Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube music, how to convert it to MP3. So maybe you saw a music that you like on YouTube and you want to maybe have it in your library, or you want to use it for your video on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, of course the legal way. So when you go to YouTube, I'm going to use Phoenix as an example in this video. So if you see a music that you like on YouTube, what I have to do is to just copy the name, go to create another tab. If you don't have a channel, you can create a channel. It's for free. Go to your profile at the top right corner and click on YouTube Studio. When you do that, you're going to scroll down and click on Creator Music Beta. It's going to show you this. You are accessing Creator Music outside the US. So this doesn't matter. This is just for purchasing license stuff. Just close it. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go to free. There are some paid ones, but we're going to click on free. So when you are here, what you have to do is to search on the music that you want to download. We're going to paste it here and we're going to see so many versions. So let's click the first one. Okay, you have the play button to check if it is actually the music you want to download. So we're going to play it and see.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together.
Yes, that's Phoenix. So if you want to download it, you click on this button right here. And it's going to show you the license is free. You can use it for your videos if you want. If you want to download the MP3, you click on this download button. And it's going to download the track in your PC. So that's how you convert YouTube music to MP3. Of course, the legal way. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.